One of the things that would make a bathroom really pop is a new vanity. And as you can see, there's a beautiful white vanity, undermount sink with beautiful top. This actually came out of a big box store. And these are not very expensive. It's a cultured top. It's not quartz or marble or granite, but it's beautiful. The fixtures are nice. This came complete. You have the whole base, you have the top, you have the backsplash. And this is like $700, $800, and it looks great. The drawers operate nicely. I mean, you can spend $2,000 or $3,000 for vanity. We also replaced the knobs. We put a bigger knob on that came through, and that really helped set it off very nice. And then the other part is the trim. The mirror, everything set off, so it's a beautiful bathroom with a light, all coordinated, but this makes this is a guest bath. Everything is, this is a small bathroom, but there was a big space here. So normally you'd have a smaller vanity and a guest, but because of this space, they chose this 4-foot vanity, which is just phenomenal, easy to do, easy to put in. The backsplash comes with it. It's a great thing to do to really make your bathroom pop by putting in a new vanity like this.